Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today I wanted to do something different. I wanted to go outside of my makeup tutorial and do a hair tutorial for you guys. I get questioned a lot in the comments and on my social media how I do my hair and how I make it look natural. When I purchased this wig, I didn't know that it was going to be this natural looking. So I'm really blessed to have this wig, and I bought it off of Amazon for about $30 to $35. It's inexpensive and it lasts me almost 2 years now. Taking care of it is not too bad. You just need to wash it with cold water, regular shampoo and conditioner, and let it air dry. Do not add heat to it because the fact that this is heat resistant, this is synthetic hair, so you definitely need to let it air dry, and it takes about 1 to 2 days for it to dry before you can actually wear it again. And so this is the look that I created today. This nice side low swept bun. I really like it because this is definitely perfect if you are going to a wedding, or if you are a bride, or you just want to sport this nice effortless look for a date night or whatnot. This is perfect and it's so easy to do. It only took me about almost 2 minutes. So definitely, if you guys would like to see this video, keep on watching. So what you need to do is take this part right here and take this, lift it up, and add that bobby pin in. Go up and in. Tuck it down, like so. And you need about 2 bobby pins to help secure it in. And then now, leave this part alone. But take this right here, you're gonna do a 3-strand braid. So easy. If you need help learning how to braid, just comment down below and I will teach you how to do it. So since the hair is already naturally curly, this is so effortless, I swear. I don't have to worry about doing so much. Alright, so with the ends right here, I don't actually have a hair tie, but you can tie the ends of the hair if you like. I'm actually going to lift this whole thing up and I'm going to twist it and tuck the whole entire ends inside. I just place my bobby pin underneath it. I'm going to take my bobby pin again and I'm going to lift up like I did earlier and go in like a dip. So with my leftover bangs here, I'm going to split that in half. And I'm just gonna add that like so. Now with the leftover bangs, I'm gonna try to frame my face accordingly. Try not to use your comb or brush so much because you want it to look effortless and loose. I'm gonna bring that, do that dip again like I told you earlier. Go up and in. Just adjust it accordingly. And there you go. See how easy that was? So it's pretty much up to you if you would like to pin up the rest of your bangs. But personally, for me, I'd rather leave it down so that way it flows more natural and effortlessly. So you can definitely leave the ends out to give it that nice romantic effortless look. And it does look very natural. I really like this look. I'm so obsessed with it because it's so easy to do. All you need to do is pretty much braid it together and then just twist it all into one to make a bun. That is it for the video. It only takes about 1 to 2 minutes tops. What do you guys think? If you would like to see me do more hair tutorial like this, please thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below what you guys would like me to do next. And I will definitely see you guys next time. Bye.